In today's generation, millions of people from all around the world are using smartphones. No matter if it's Android or iOS, people are turning more to use phones than PCs and laptops most of the time. And smartphones are just as capable as expensive cameras as long as you prepare with the right accessories. The big secret to upping your camera phone game is getting a high-tech lenses. BlitzWolf offers an array of tiny options that can widen your shot, increase zoom, and give your phone a macro setting for ultra close-up shots. So let's see how versatile these lenses are and do they really make any big difference in mobile photography. Excited? So let's get started. Now before we get started, if you guys will find this video useful, then do consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you get notified for our future videos. Now let's quickly unbox it and see what we are getting inside. The BlitzWolf lens comes with well protected inside a plain box lined with foam. Along with the lens, there is an aluminium hood, a universal smartphone clip, cleaning cloth, a carrying pouch and a user manual. Talking about the build and design. The lens comes with two plastic covers that fit snugly to protect the glass when disassembled from the clip and hood. The included carrying pouch is also waterproof and it's quite big enough to fit the hood inside as well. You can use the lens without the hood attached. However, if you plan on taking shots outside on a bright day, then I highly recommend bringing it along. The lens housing and hood are both made up of aluminium magnesium alloy with a black anodized finish which looks really premium. The universal clip isn't made of the same material. As results, you will have a metal thread screwing against a plastic one. As long as care is taken to ensure you tighten without crossing threading, then it shouldn't be a major problem. The clip has good tension and a huge amount of clearance, so you will have no problem at all reaching the lens on any smartphone. Moving forward to its performance. BlitzWolf sent me 3 different lenses that are 15x macro lens, 230° fisheye and a 25mm 15x wide angle macro lens, and all these lenses have different applications, so let's see how they perform. Starting with the 25mm wide angle macro lens, smartphone camera lenses are typically quite wide, but from time to time there are situations where you want to get an even wider shot than would normally be possible. This is where having a wide angle lens with you can be useful. Now these are some image samples that how much wider it really is. You might also notice some slight vignetting in the corners of some of the images. This isn't due to the lens. This is actually the rear of the lens itself. I found that if the lens wasn't positioned perfectly over my camera lens, I got this vignetting. Depending on the placement of the lens, it ranged from very mild to severe. Next up we have a fisheye lens which provides a whopping 230° field of view. A fisheye lens increases your field of vision and adds a fisheye effect. The ultra-wide angle lenses create visual distortion and leaves you with a round, panoramic image. The only issue that I had with this lens is that the fisheye shots had a black ring around the edges, which is really annoying. The camera lens on my phone is big enough that the outside edges, especially the corner of a fisheye photo, get blacked out. I think not all phones will have this issue though. The last one is a 15x macro lens, and as the name suggests, it will help you in taking some really close shots from this to this. The macro lens was the one that I had the most fun with. This lens lets you zoom in really close to an object and gets a super close-up shot. You can get pictures of small objects or zoom in to get incredible details. Using the macro lens is just a lot of fun, but you have to make sure that you have a steady hand when you're using it. You should try to prop your phone against something solid or you risk getting a really shaky image. Overall, I think BlitzWolf have a solid offering with these lenses. The fisheye lens, the wide range lens and the macro lens add extra functionality to your smartphone camera. They are perfect for a budding photographer and for anyone that wants to extend their smartphone camera, making it little more powerful and fun. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you find this video useful, then do consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you never miss any future video from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.